Wagwan. Today, I'm gonna be doing a review on a Kenzo t-shirt, Kenzo hoodie, and Kenzo hat. Stay tuned, these are so good, y'all. I love them all. Okay? Yeah. Okay, so here they go. The hoodie is from Idalis, or Idalis, or I call it Idalis, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. The shirt is from Essence, and the hat is from a company called Brother to Brother. They're based out of the UK. I discovered Idalis from being online, looking around, comparing prices, because this cost a little bit more at Farfetch, which I usually buy from. I just got it from them. And I went to Bloomingdale's, I think, and Bloomingdale had it for the same price as Farfetch. So I got it for like $100 less on Idalis. Let's get into it, see what's in it. Now it comes wrapped up like this. They send you their little difference. Ask me if I want to win $1,000 and stuff. As a matter of fact, I wasn't even I never paid attention to this. I'm just now finding out that I could have won $1,000. So I just put it to the side. They wrap it in a tissue like this. You know they always try to make it nice and stuff. So it comes out looking like this. The one with the Kenzo tiger on it. And they give you like a thingy on it. The Idalis thingy, where if you break it, I guess you can't send it back, I don't know. But there goes, it's on the tag. And the tag thing here, and shows the barcode. This is in this thing. Yeah, but that's it. How it looks. I'm gonna put it on myself and just show you how it looks. That's the hoodie right there. Pretty cool hoodie. Nice. And I'm going to show you the price comparison with Farfetch and Idalis. This is another price. Oh yeah, this is that's pretty decent. And oh yeah, let's get into the size. I went with a large. Yeah, I went with a large because when I went to Bloomingdale's, I tried on one of the ones they had because I initially ordered a double XL, and when I tried on one of Bloomingdale's, I realized that one would have been bigger. And this one is perfect size. This one actually has strings, and I said the back of it is plain, nothing in the back, and elastic waistband at the bottom. And like any other regular hoodie, the pockets on the front. 2 pockets on the front. Now, that's it. Let's get into the shirt. The shirt comes like this. Now these, I had already opened them. Now the shirt comes like this from this one. Once you open it, I needed 3 hands for this. Once you open it, that's what it looks like. And oh, I forgot to tell you, the sweater this is embroidered on. This is embroidered. The Kenzo tiger is embroidered onto the sweater, to the hoodie. However, on the shirt, it's not embroidered on, it's painted on. And I thought it would have been embroidered when I first got it. Before I purchased it, I should say. But it's not. Now, I usually wear a large. So, with this one, I bought it in a double XL. And this fits perfect. If I had bought it in a large, it would have been small. Would have looked stupid. So I got it in a double XL and it's perfect fit. Now, the hat has something like this. And it's really plastic wrapping and stuff on it. Into the bag. There's a tissue over it. And it looks like that. This is also embroidered on. And I say from brother to brother with a dust bag. Kenzo dust bag. Which is cool. I guess you can put it in the dust bag. And like all the paperwork and stuff is in there. So that's it right there. I'll put it on with some things to show you. Just to show you how they look. So I'm putting them on with some things so you can see how they look. Alright, yeah.